Okay, surface area of a cone. Right, so when we're doing this, you've got to think about what shapes are on the surface of that cone. Okay, now the obvious one should be the circle, which is on the bottom, which I have a formula for, which is pi r squared. The other one is that curved bit at the top, and that is your curved surface. Now, if I had the scissors and I chop that up and I spread it, so I get this shape. And of course, this can vary on the height of the pyramid or the width of the pyramid. But essentially, if we do have a formula to this, and you can prove it, but I'm not going to, it just happens to be pi r L. Okay, and L, if you notice here, is your diagonal length. Yeah, or we can call it your lateral height. Either's fine. And obviously, circle's pi r squared. So all we do is we just substitute the values in and then get the answer. Right, so let's do this one here. You've got your lateral height of 10 and your radius of 4. Let's see if we can work it out. Give it a bit of time. Okay, right, let's do the curved surface area first, which is going to be pi times 10 times 4, pi r L, which is 40 pi. Your base, which is going to be pi r squared, which is pi 16. And then you add both of these together. Okay, and normally your questions will describe whether you want it in whole numbers or do you want it in terms of pi. Okay, another one you can do, give you a couple of seconds. Right, same as before. The base of it is going to be pi 6 squared, and it's going to be pi times 6 times 10. Just substitute all that into your calculator, to be honest with you, and then you get 301.4 inches squared, which is in inches. This one here, two things you've got to notice is first of all, I can't do it. Second of all, the question is calculate the curved surface area of this cone. So it's not actually asking for the entire surface area, just the curved surface area. Give a couple of seconds. Now it's not a big issue. This, what you've got to remember is this is a right angle triangle. Whenever you see a right angle triangle, it's either Pythagoras or trigonometry. In this case, it's trigonometry. So to find the lateral height, we've got to do 6 squared plus 3 squared square rooted. Yeah, which is square root of 45. Write that down as a square root of 45, just to avoid rounding errors. So we'll do pi r L, which is pi times 3 times 45, which is 63.22 centimeters squared. Now, we're not working out the bottom bit because it doesn't say the total surface area, it just says the curved. But if it was to ask the total surface area, all we do is we just add pi r squared, which is 9 pi. Okay, here's some questions for you to do. Go for it. Alright, let's do the answers for you. Here's your answers for the first bit. The only thing you've got to be careful of in the second bit is that this 12, this is a measurement that you don't need. Same as that 12. Okay, because you don't need your height when you're working out the surface area. If you're working out the volume, you would, but we're not. Okay. And for the second one, the extension ones, what I like to do is I like to break them up to be like the curved area of the cone, the base of the circle, and the curved bit of like the cylinder. Again, if you wanted to work them out now, you can, but I'll just show you the answers. And the only other thing is, for 2, you need your diagonal length. Yes, you've got to use Pythagoras to get it. Okay, that's essentially it. I'll leave you with this question if you wanted to work out.